Good morning. I am Ram Prasad, PGT History, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Kamala Nehru Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today I will teach you fourth chapter of history, that is the Central Islamic lands, rise and expansion of Islam, 570 to 1200 AD. Basically, Islam is not only religion, it is a culture. Basically, Islam originally on the Arabian Peninsula and spread from Egypt to Afghanistan and near important trade routes, central area of Indian Ocean, coastal area of Mediterranean Sea, and Gulf countries in 7th AD to 12th AD. Okay. Now question is arise, what were the conditions of Arabia before the rise of Islam? The Arabia Peninsula lies between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. Much of it is a desert and wasteland along the coast of Red Sea. There are, however, fertile stretches of land. Trade were carried on there in large scale, and two cities, Mecca and Medina, grew up near the coast. Arabs had divided themselves into so many tribes. Each tribe was controlled by the tribal chief called Sheikh. These tribes often led a nomadic life. Often they roamed from here and there in search of water and grass for their flocks. These Arab tribes were known as Bedouins. Important cities in Islamic lands like Makkah, Medina, Samarkand, Kufa, etc. in the given map of Eurasia. Bedouins, Arab peoples who reside in Arabs, was called Bedouins. Their main work were herded sheep and camels, lived in fiercely independent clans and tribes, often engaged in violent war with each other. Variety of gods and ancestor, nature, spirit, valued personal bravery and group loyalty. The Islam, its founder, Prophet Muhammad Sahib, was born in 570 AD in Makkah in Quraysh family. Early life of Muhammad Sahib, however, not so happy. His father died even before he was born, and her mother left this world when he was hardly 6 years of age. He was then brought up by his uncle, who was a merchant. At the age of 25, he married with a widow named Khadija. He had two sons and four daughters by her. Prophet Muhammad was a spiritual type man from the very beginning. He often went to Mount Hira near the city of Mecca and spent long hours in meditation and prayers. It is said that one day when he was meditating, light dawned him and God asked him to spread the true faith among the people. This relevant pro- provided a turning point in the life of Muhammad Sahib. Elevation began in 610 CE and continued for the next 22 years. Recorded in the Quran, the sacred scripture of Islam, monotheistic, Allah is only God, all powerful creator, good, just, and merciful. rejected the all deities housed in the Kaaba, rejected Christian idea of the Trinity. Primary obligation of all believers submission to Allah, not only an individual or spiritual act, but also involved the creation of a whole new society. Ummah means the community of all believers. Just and moral society of Islam would replace tribal, ethnic, and racial identities. The main principles of Islam are: number one, faith. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of God. Number two, prayer means namaz should be performed 5 times daily while facing in the direction of Makkah. Number three, alms giving means zakat, supporting the poor and needy of the community. Number four, fasting means roza occurs during month of Ramadan. No food, no drink or sexual relation from dawn to sundown. Number fifth, the Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca. Jihad means struggle. Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad message or addresses his followers that jihad or struggle should be started for the safety of religion. Transformation of Arabia. Muhammad's message soon attracted opposition from Makkah's elite families. They didn't like his claim to be the messenger of Allah. Strict monotheism, call for social reform, condemnation of business practices, disloyalty of his own tribe. The Quraysh caused Muhammad and his followers to go to Medina. This is where the Ummah took shape. The Hijrah, flight from Makkah to Yathrib means Medina, tradition invited by the Jew of Medina, beginning of Islam calendar by 622 AD, forms of Ummah means community, welcomed them, resisted Muhammad, becomes an absolute theocrat. Muhammad's return to Makkah, attack on Makkah 630. This was first jihad, conversion of Makkah to Islam, destruction of pagan sites, replaced with mosques, Kaaba preserved in honor of importance of Makkah, holy war against Makkah, 10-year blockade, a deal was made. The Makkah preserved as a holy city and place of pilgrimage to preserve the economic prosperity. The Kaaba preserved as the central shrine, idols and icons destroyed. The story of its origins emphasized the role of Abraham in its replacement. Pilgrimage as an act of faith at least once in your life. The Islamic community, Muhammad, both religious and political leaders, also led the military. Islamic community expanded throughout Arabia by military conquest, marriage, alliances with leading tribes, voluntary conversion. By 632, time of Muhammad's death, most of Arabia had come under Islamic control. Changing status of women. Quran improves status of women. Out, outlawed female infanticide. Beside not husbands claim dowries. Yet male dominance preserved. Patrilineal descent. Polygamy permitted. Polyandry forbidden. Baal adopted from ancient Mesopotamian practice. War and conquest. In 650s, Arab forces defeated the Persian Empire and took over about half of Byzantine's territories. Both had been weak for a long time due to fighting and with each other. Early 700 Arab forces swept through North Africa, conquered Spain and attacked southern France. Early 700 Arab forces reached the Indus River and took over some major oasis town in Central Asia. In the given map of Eurasia, you can see some important cities like Mecca, Medina, Cairo, and other important cities, Baghdad, Kufa. So these are important cities relating Islam. War and conquest motives. Merchants wanted access to profitable trade routes and wealthy agricultural regions. Individuals wanted to gain wealth and social promotion. Expansion provided a common task for the Islamic community, Ummah, that was on the verge of falling apart after Muhammad's death. A spread of Islam faith and righteous government across the world. Conversion of Islam not forced on anyone in the Arab Empire. In fact, Zoroastrian Jews and Christians are considered people of the book and were given the status of dhimmis. Dhimmis means protected subjects. In the 400 years following Muhammad's death, millions of individuals and many whole societies with the Arab Empire adopted Islam. Now Shias and Sunnis believes that the leader of the Islamic community would be a blood descendant relative of Islam. Religious authority comes from prayer leaders called imams. Imams only ones that can correctly interpret divine relations and Islamic law. Sunnis, Shias believe the Alif is the rightful political and military leader of Islam. Believe the Alif should be chosen by the Islamic community. Believe the Alif can be any devout Muslim. Religion authority comes from the larger Islamic community, particularly ulama, religious scholars. Umayyad dynasty was expansion of Arab Empire. Alifs became hereditary rulers. Empire's capital moved from Medina to Roman Byzantine city of Damascus in Syria. Ruling class Arab military aristocracy. Fatimid Empire, Arab Shia Empire, eventually replacing the Umayyad Empire in the Maghreb, Egypt, and the Levant, founded the city of Cairo and consolidated the Caliph. Islam was briefly united under one caliph, promoted religious tolerance to Sunnis, Jews, and Coptic Christians, established a massive trade network in the Mediterranean Sea, Indian Ocean, and East Asia during the Song dynasty of China. Fatimid decline, like elsewhere, the Fatimids gave select groups governorship positions. These groups, mainly the Jirids of North Africa, would eventually declare themselves independent for the Fatimids. Turkish invaders, especially in the Levant, and the Crusaders would capture even more land. For other political system, they had moved towards military rule, and eventually a nephew of one of the general, a man named Saladin, would take control. The Sunni Ayyubids dynasty means Kurdish under Saladin would rule the lands of modern day Egypt, Syria, Palestine, and western Saudi Arabia. Crusades had little effect on Fatimids and Ayyubid dynasties. The Abbasid dynasty, Abu al-Abbas, Sunni Arab allied with Shia non-Arab Muslims, seized control of the Levant, Persia and Mesopotamia. Baghdad defeats Umayyad army in 750, invited Umayyads to banquet, then massacred them. Only Spain remains Umayyad. North Africa is disputed territory. Ultimately, Fatimid and later Ayyubid under Saladin. Nature of the Abbasid dynasty, diverse nature of administration, that is not exclusively Arab, military competent but not bent on imperial expansion. Dar al-Islam, house of submission, with which was all the lands ruled by Islamic rule, growth through military activity of autonomous Islamic forces, golden age of Islam, cauldron of cultures. Abbasid decline, civil war between sons of Harun al-Rashid, provincial governors assert regional independence, dissenting sects, heretical movements. Abbasid uh, caliphs became puppet of Persian nobility. Later, Seljuk Turks influence Sultan, real power behind the throne. Almost all of their buildings are now lost to time. Turkish migrations, consol- consolidation of Tang dynasty, nomadic peoples of Inner Asia westward, just like the Han did to the Hans, and others. Nomadic people began to convert to Islam as a result of contact with Muslim scholars and mystics. The Turkish-speaking people gained control of Bukhara and Samarkand and began to sponsor the development of the Turkish language and a Turkish Islamic civilization. Islam spreads to India while conquerors brought Islam to the Sindh, means Indus River of India. Muslim merchants took their faith to coastal region in both northern and southern India. These long-lasting business ties and the intermarriage of many Muslim men made the introduction of Islam more gradual. Islam also spread a third way to India with the migration and invasion of Turkish-speaking people from Central Asia. Turkish invasions, some of the Muslim Turks entered into the Abbasid realm as mercenaries or migrated into Byzantine Anatolia, while others moved into Afghanistan where they established an Islamic state. The Turks soon turned to rich land of the south and between 1001 and 1027 mounted 17 raids into India. The Mahmud Turks demolished Hindu and Buddhist sites and hastened the decline of Buddhism in India. They frequently built mosques on the sites of destroyed temples. For the spreading of religion, crusades was made between Christian and Muslims. The first crusade between 1095 to 1099, second crusade 1147 to 1149, third crusade 1189 to 1192, fourth crusade 1202 to 1204, children's crusade 1200, fifth to eighth crusades 1218 to 1291, crusaders driven from southwest Asia. Enemies from beyond, the Seljuk Turks, Abbasids, were bashed by internal quarrel when the first crusades or crusading armies reached the Holy Land. The Crusades had little long-lasting impact of Islamic land. Muslims would eventually rise up and face the European enemy in the mid-12th century. The Mongol invasions, especially their destruction of the Abbasid Caliphate in Baghdad in 1258, shook the Islam. The Ottoman Empire, the Ottoman Empire, also called Osmanian Empire or Ottomanian Empire, was a multi-ethnic and multi-religious Turkish-ruled state. The state was known as the Turkish Empire or Turkey by its contemporaries and was succeeded by the Republic of Turkey, which was officially proclaimed in 1923. Now, by impact of Muslim, a new movement emerged that was Sufis, Muslims who believed that the wealth and success of Islamic civilization was a deviation from the pure spiritual of Muhammad's time, searched for a direct and personal experience with the divine, rejected the material world, meditated on the world of the Quran, believed teaching about the law and correct behavior didn't bring people closer to Allah. Sufis believed many ulama had been corrupted by their association with worldly and corrupt government, often challenged the religious authority of these ulama and charted their own course to Allah. Women and men in early Islam, according to interpretation of the Quran made by Muslim scholars, spiritual men and women are equal socially, especially in marriage. Women are inferior to men and should obey them. The Quran provides a mix of rights, restrictions, and protections for women. Examples of rights and protection for women within the Quran include rights to dowries and some inheritances, control over their own property, marriage must be essential, women could divorce men, especially if they weren't pleased in the bedroom. The Islamic civilization, even after the Arab Empire fell apart, the Islamic civilization continued to grow. Major areas of Muslim expansion: India, Anatolia, West Africa, and Spain. By Muslim Turks from Central Asia, violent invasions, destruction of Hindu and Buddhist temples, their conquest led to a series of Muslim led governments in India. Now, the House of Wisdom, founded by the Caliph Al Mamun, was a research center in Baghdad. Scholars translated texts from Greek, Persian, and Indian into Arabic, performed scientific experiments. So now this chapter is complete. Thank you.